So the winch on my side-by-side died, probably from my fault of lack of maintenance. I never greased or oiled this thing and something's just rotted out in it. So I'm just gonna record myself replacing this. The hell of it, I went out and bought the exact same one. Maybe not the smartest thing since the last one rotted out, but it's Chinese Runva. Runva? I don't know. I got the exact same one because I figured it'll be easy just to replace it. All the bolts and wiring will be the same. I'm gonna remove the front cowling. Also gonna remove the front bumper. So remove the whole front bumper. That way I can get at these bolts. And I can't even unscrew this thing because it's just rotted inside. Got this dismounted and I pulled all the cable off and cut it. And I'll hold on to that for a nice utility cable. So this winch is actually rated for an ATV, but my side-by-side's small. It's only like a 400 two-seater. Just bolting the new guide rollers on. Just gonna hand tighten all these bolts first. I'm now gonna remove this whole unit and replace it with the new one. Okay, that piece is bolted on. All right, I'm making some progress here. I've got it wired to the battery and I've got it hooked up to the controllers. Now it's just a matter of bolting the winch, which is attached to the front bumper, back on, rewiring. We are bolted on, we're wired up. Out or in? It's like reversed. So dumbass me attached these backwards and it's going to be too difficult to get at them, to swap them. So I'm just going to swap them up here, the yellow and the blue, and then we should get the winch working in the right direction. There we go. Nice. There we go, all buttoned back up and done. Way more work than I thought I was signing up for.